So anyway, hello and welcome again to this session where we shall be looking at our chicken house and learn a little bit about chicken rearing. Well, in our case, we do use very simple technique or tools to feed our chicken. I think we have around 45 at the moment. Because we don't have a very big place, when it comes to December holidays, we're going to dispose some so that we can give space for more chicken. So follow me around. I'm actually doing this just to help this bird with the eyesight, because all the feathers, they do cover the eyes, and its visibility is quite bad. So I'll try to put some rubber bands and see if it's going to help it a little bit.
The Polish chicken is a magnificent sight to behold. Her gentle disposition means they're good for children, as they're quiet, friendly, and do not mind being held or cuddled. You can expect an inquisitive chicken that sometimes lets their curiosity get the better of them. Some strains can be flighty and nervous, but this can be attributed to the head feathers, which can often reduce their vision dramatically. And that's exactly what I'm trying to help this chicken.
We hope that his visibility is going to be much better. It's going to be able to see, and it can also defend itself. Very unique in their style. One of the features they have is this overlapping feathers on their head. Reminds me of my rooster, so that's cool. Another feature is the idea of having this very well developed patina. Here, black and white. Usually you can get in. Okay, relax, chill. You can have very different shades, but this is one of those very popular black and a bit cream shade. This is a pure breed. With me, I've got my niece. Can you tell them what? Say hi to our viewers.
My name is Yvonne Omboli. I understand he's in Sweden.
Yeah. So she does a good job. She enjoys actually the project we're doing with her. This project that we have here pays for her school fees. That's very positive. And then she has something to do when she's on holiday, when she's at home. She takes care of the chicken. And when I'm here, I also jump in and try to do what's not been done. So it's been a pleasure. The chicken have become many. You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the challenges?
She ate chicken.
Look at the camera.
Let's get the water. You should make sure that the water is there. You should also make sure that they have food. Some of them they should have food because people must have food. Okay, and then the second thing is the third thing is let's make sure that they don't fight, because some of them always fight. So you always make sure that they don't fight.
You separate them. Yeah.
A silky chicken is the ultimate in kids' chickens. They're cuddly, fluffy, and tolerant, love sitting in your lap, and even enjoy cuddles. The silky chicken always brings a smile to people's faces. Although they won't keep you in eggs, they will supply you with a lot of love, smile, and, as we said, cuddles.
The silky chicken, these are exotic breeds. They're not, in my case, they're not for eating purposes, more for ornamental aspect. A special feature with them is that they have this they have 5 toes. They have 5 toes, and then the meat is black. And then when you look at the head, they do have this this like the blue part here. This guy is quite arrogant. This is a male. The males are bigger than the ladies. It's about, I think, 1.5, 2 years. And it's been doing a good job. It's giving us a lot of babies. This type of a pigeon is called Freebucks, and they are one of the most beautiful pigeons in the world. They usually stay in a pair all their life, and it's like any other pigeons in the world.
The Freebuck is a breed of fancy pigeon developed over many years of selective breeding. The breed is known for the frill or curls on the wings, shield feathers. The feather curl should also be present at the ends of the foot feathers or muffs. Her precise origin is unknown, but the most accepted theory is that they came from the ancient region of Asia Minor, also known as Anatolia. Today, this corresponds to an area covering Turkey, Greece, Kurdistan, Armenia, and what is known as Assyria. Access to clean drinking water is one of those vital things that will keep your pigeons healthy. And at the same time, they love birthing, and they do a couple of times.
So chicken are also very sensitive birds, and they get affected with different types of diseases. Because she's been here, she's been taking care of them. Let her explain to us a little bit what happens when a chicken becomes sick. What do you guys do?
Okay, we always call the veterinary so that they can help to see what's wrong with the chicken.
Yeah.
Then they always vaccinate it so that the disease cannot affect it, so that they can able to die. Okay, and thirdly, we always take the veterinary also give them the medicine so that they cannot be sick also. And fourthly, we always take when the veterinary is not there, they always give us some medicine because the veterinary can also be busy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that they always show us how to take care of them, so that when the veterinary is not there, we always also try to treat them. So
Okay. So usually they have some sort of first aid medicine, if you can call it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've learned one or two things. This is Hustle a Day today with one boy, and until next time, bye bye.